Hello, my name is Wyatt Kramer and I'm a lead designer here at Icarus. Today we're going to be walking you through the AFO scanning procedure. So to start off, our patient here isn't wearing shoes, but if she were to be wearing shoes, we would be removing them at this point in time. If you have any custom insoles that you would like included in your brace, or accommodated I should say, please leave those outside of your shoe and we'll be taping those on before we scan later. For the side that we're going to be scanning, we want to pull up the pant leg. That's if the patient is wearing pants. Our patient here today is not wearing pants, and that's okay. We're going to move on and go to the sock situation. So if you're wearing high socks, long socks, whatever they may be, compression socks, do not roll them up. Leave them as is. Next, we're going to be elevating the leg. To do so, I'm going to have our patient turn around and put her knee right on the edge of the chair. So what we're focusing on here is we want to make sure the leg is parallel with the ground. If there's any change to the foot in dorsiflexion or plantar flexion that you'd like to make at this point, now is the time. Next, so we start by using our Icarus app to do our scanning. And we'll just take a knee and get down at the patient's leg level, if you will. And then we're going to start by pressing either the volume up or the center record button. You can also shake it if you so desire. So I will be pressing the volume up to begin our scan, and I will be starting at the anterior side of the leg. So I will be starting right in front of the tibia and then rotating around 270 degrees. So if the patient lacks the strength or stability to do the previous or preferred method of kneeling on a chair or other fixture, then we recommend that you sit upon an exam table. We're using this table just for example's sake. But in this case, our primary focus is to get the foot at least 6 inches off the ground. That way we can scan under the foot if need be. So, all right, and to close out our scanning procedure, we're just going to review our scan. We're going to check for a few things here. So first, we want to make sure the tibia and calf, malleoli, forefoot, and hindfoot are all included in this scan. If there's any gapping or missing pieces, please rescan before sending to us. If you are confident in your scan, you can then upload the scan to Icarus, and we will receive it and review it on our end. Now, once your brace is being built and our engineers are working diligently on it, you are able to check the order status throughout the entire process. And if you have any questions, you can always contact your local rep, and they will be more than happy to provide you with the help or assistance you need.